Thanks for visiting our Holistic Strong channel. Subscribe and share.
Watch Holistic Strong, the best channel for mind and body videos.
My grandparents used to have a friendly but lively debate. Which is better, vitamins from supplements versus food? Grandpa, a person who must have taken 20 to 30 vitamins a day, asserted that there was nothing better than natural supplements. He felt supplements could improve the immune system, fortify natural defenses, and even prevent, if not cure, disease. Grandma scoffed at that notion, and refused not to waste money on vitamins. Turning to me, she said, "Get your vitamins from food, and your minerals, too." It turns out that Grandma was right in the vitamins from supplements versus food argument. When it comes to longevity, vitamins from food are way superior than the vitamins you consume through supplements. A scientific study has backed the notion that nutrients from food can serve to be a life-enhancing, protective agent. Such longevity benefits are not realized by way of supplement consumption. And worse, Grandpa, if you're listening, forgive me, consuming large doses of some nutrients through supplements might even be harmful. According to the study, for instance, high levels of calcium, obtained from supplement use, was linked to increased cancer deaths. The study, published in the journal Annals of Internal Medicine, compiled information between 1999 and 2010, involving more than 27,000 adults in the United States, ages 20 and up. In the survey, participants listed what they ate in the last 24 hours, and whether they had taken supplements in the last 30 days. Subsequently, participants were tracked for about 6 years, on average. During the study period, about 3,600 people died, primarily from heart disease and cancer. The study came to a startling conclusion: people who consume adequate amounts of vitamin K or the mineral, magnesium, had a lower risk of death from any cause during the study period, compared with those who didn't get adequate levels of these nutrients. Moreover, individuals who consume adequate levels of vitamin K, vitamin A, zinc or copper had a lower risk of death from heart disease, compared with those who didn't get adequate levels of these particular nutrients. Again, the study also found that supplement intake may even have adverse effects when it comes to longevity, such as the aforementioned, seemingly problematic calcium. Here is my take on the old argument between which one is better, vitamins from food or vitamins from supplements. I'm going to side with Grandma, and invest more time and money ensuring a healthy, wholesome diet, rather than spend hundreds per month, as I used to, on vitamins. However, I will still take certain supplements that may prove helpful, such as kyolic garlic to help lower blood pressure. I believe what many research scientists say: supplements are only specific extracts of nutritional components to a healthy diet. You get so much more nutritional punch from the wide array of nutrients in real foods, such as fiber, that supplements cannot duplicate and contain. Indeed, there are trace elements in natural foods that are simply not found in supplements, and thus the health protective benefits in foods are superior than any such benefits derived from vitamin use. The trace elements that are part of natural foods aren't contained in supplements. Again, vitamin supplements simply can't replicate the wide array of real food nutrients, including food-based fiber and other vitamins foods contain. While there are vitamins that are marketed as phytochemicals and antioxidants, the complexity of food suggests that these protective substances, found naturally in food, can better thwart cancer, heart disease, diabetes and other types of diseases. This assumes, of course, that you eat the right foods, and not weaken the body with processed food, or food high in fat, sugar, salt, and the like. With our hectic schedules, I know it's tempting to rely on supplements to give us adequate nutrition as we may eat on the go, or just not have time to prepare healthy meals. But if longevity is your goal, and quality of life as well, in your later years, know that there is no substitute for a healthy diet. Of course, there will be times when supplement use is warranted. But this is a discussion you need to have with your doctor. For example, pregnant women may be advised to take folic acid, or older women may even be advised to take calcium to strengthen bones, even with the possible health-related concerns of excess calcium. In addition, you may take a blood test, and you may be too low in magnesium, for example. As such, your physician may recommend a magnesium supplement. But just remember, and listen to my grandmother, vitamins from food are better than vitamins from supplements. Please comment and let our audience know your views on this vitamins from supplements versus food debate. Do you take a lot of supplements? Do you choose not to take any? Thanks again for viewing, and for offering feedback. Where do you stand on the vitamins from supplements versus natural food controversy?
Thanks for visiting our Holistic Strong channel. Subscribe and share.